Good morning, Mr. Pottinger's class.
Good morning.
6.4 perimeter and area of complex shapes. Can you find the perimeter and area of complex shapes?
Yes.
What does complex mean?
A shape made up of two or more basic shapes.
A shape made up of two or more basic shapes. So are these little guys right here basic?
Yes.
If we put them together, do we get a complex shape?
Yes.
And you guys know area was the space that is on the...
Inside.
And perimeter is the distance around the...
Outside.
Nice job. What is the formula to calculate the area of a rectangle, square, and parallelogram?
Base times height.
What is the area to calculate the area? What is the formula to calculate the area of a triangle?
Base times height divided by 2.
Ooh, I like it. And then if we wanted to find the perimeter of a rectangle, square, parallelogram, triangle, any of these things, we do what?
Add up all the sides.
You add up all the sides. Okay, cool. All right. So, chunking. To chunk means to break a complex shape into basic shapes, yes?
Yes.
So when you look at letter A here, this is a complex shape, yes?
Yes.
And we split it into, you see where my X is right here and my X is right there? We split it into two basic shapes, yes?
Yes.
We go with that.
Yes.
Okay, and then we found the area, so we have to find the area of this basic shape right here. Yes?
Yes.
And we have to find the area of this basic shape right here, right? Cool. So that's what we did down here. It looks like a little order of operations. Our small rectangle, our small rectangle was a 2x3, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so this guy was a 2x3. Our bigger rectangle was a 8x7, yes?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Perimeter now, I know I'm kind of writing all over perimeter, but perimeter we add up all the sides, yes?
Yes.
Avery, are you with us? Because it doesn't look like you are. When I add up all the sides, you guys, how many sides does this complex shape have? Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we have 6 sides, we have to add up all 6 sides, right?
Yes.
But do you guys remember, see how this 3 is in like pink? When you guys did this, or when a lot of you did this, you only added up the 10, the 8, the 7, the 6, and the 2, right?
Yes.
I actually didn't even give you the 3. We wrote that in afterwards, but did you have enough information to figure out what the 3 was?
Yes.
Franny, I should be up here. I should be up here. Okay, so when you are finding the area or the perimeter of a shape, make sure you add up all the sides, even if one is not given to you, yes?
Yes.
You have to figure out what it is, okay? Here's another complex shape, yes?
Yes.
So this is my complex shape, and we use the X to show that we can break it into two basic shapes, right?
Yes.
Okay. Another complex shape. The whole shape would be what I'm tracing right now, and inside we had two basic shapes, right?
Yes.
Okay, and finding area and perimeter, you're just chunking for area, and perimeter, you just add up all the sides, yes?
Yes.
Last thing we did then down here, if you have a shape like this, we can't really chunk that, can we? No, so we just kind of find what the area is on the inside by counting all of the what's first. What do we count first?
Squares.
I'm losing you. Count all the what?
Full squares.
And then we found, see all these in red around the outside? Those are called partial squares. We combine them into full squares, right?
Yes.
So once we found full squares and we combined into partial squares to full squares, we add them up and we could figure out our area, yes?
Yes.
We good?